Welcome again, everybody. In this video we're gonna take a look at the Basher BZ-888 buggy's differentials, and we will see what's in it, and if it's not oil in it, then we will fill it with some oil. So first of all, let's get started with the center differential. We need to get rid of these cable ties first. I hope it will be enough if we unscrew these 5 screws. Let's do it and let's see what happens. Let's look inside. Okay. So maybe it won't be enough. I think we have to unscrew other screws. So it looks like we have to unscrew these 4 screws also to get to the central differential. So let's do it. It's all hex screws, by the way. I think we need to unscrew another one. I think we will be able to get to it now. Okay, finally we were able to get to the center diff. It wasn't so easy. Okay. It looks like a steel spur gear. Very nice. And I think there is only grease in it, but let's see. Yes. As you can see, there is only grease in the differential. But it's not a problem. We will fill it with oil, and it will definitely improve the handling characteristic of the buggy. So I think we will use 7000 CST oil in the center differential. Okay, so before you put on back the spur gear, check that the sealing isn't damaged. If it's damaged, you should change it, otherwise the diff will leak. Okay. Okay, so we are finished with the center differential. Let's try to put it back to its place. I think it will be harder than taking it out, but let's try it. Almost there. Okay. So then we can move on to the underside of the buggy. Just make sure that these screws are tightened very well, but don't be very hard with it because it's plastic on the other side, so you don't want to screw it so hard that it damages the plastic. Okay, we will put this back to its place. Then we can screw back on the center top plate. Okay, so this was our center diff assembly video. I hope you liked it. If you did, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you, goodbye.